Hello guys, welcome back to Mommy's J Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare ayang iwah, aka African envelope. Let me start by showing you the process. This is my cassava. This is the main ingredient for ayang iwah. What I will do now is to cut it in sizes. Okay. And then peel it. It's not too hard to peel, just take your time. You have to be very careful in order not to cut your finger. I'm taking my time to do it. So that I won't make mistake or cut my nails of my finger. Don't be in a hurry, just take your time. Alright, that's it. So now, after peeling it, I'm washing it now. Wash it thoroughly. This is our native food. After washing it, you grate it with your grater. That is how you grate your. One after the other. So you finish the whole cassava that you have. So guys, I'm grating mine now. This stem, look at it. This is how it look like. You will not grate everything, because if you do, you will see all the stick in your ekpang and you will not be able to eat it. So you remain the inside. When you get to the inside, when you grate it, the last part of it, you throw it away. This is how it is. Alright, so let's get grading it. I want to sieve the water out. This cassava has water, natural water that comes from it. So I will sieve the water out, because there is another method I will use. Ekpang has two methods to prepare it. One is either you sieve the water out and add your own water, or you sieve the water out and add this cocoa pod. After sieving the water, you you grate this cocoa pod and put inside and mix it. It will make the cassava to be softer when after cooking. Or you use hot water, warm water and a pinch of salt to mix it before you wrap it. It's either you wrap it, you mix hot water and salt, or you use cocoa pod to mix it before you wrap it. That is the process. Please take notes. Ingredients in using to prepare ekpang. Remember, the first one was cassava. After cassava, I now mentioned this cocoa pod or warm water and salt. So the next one is the wrapping leaf. This wrapping leaf is plantain leaf, not banana leaf, please. This is plantain leaf. This is how it is. You can get it from your backyard. This is how it is. What I will do now is to turn on my gas. Okay, so I will now put it on fire to make it softer, so that I will be able to, carry it in whatever way I want to carry it, or fold it, so that I will be able to fold it when wrapping my ekpang. So this is how I will put it. After this process, alright, mine is done. So I will now use my knife and slice the leaf this way by the side of this. It goes like this. Okay. Alright. The same. So I will now cut it to my desired shape. The way I will be able to hold it, that is how I'm cutting it. This is my own shape. You can cut your own in your own way, but this is the way I'm cutting my own shape, so that when I carry it in my palms, I'll be able to straight it and roll my ekpang comfortably. Okay, so this is the size. I'm squeezing out the water from the cassava. Grating my cocoa pod now to mix it together. It's optional and it's not much. You can put 2, can put 3, can put 4, depending on the quantity of the cassava. So mine, look at how it is, just full. Okay. So I'm mixing it now with a little warm water. Mix it thoroughly. So I'm washing my leaf now. Going to wash it one after the other. This leaf, I'm going to place it at the bottom of my pot, because this is not a non-stick pot. That is why I'm placing it, so that it will not get burnt. But if you are using non-stick, there is no need for the leaf. So now I want to start wrapping my ayang ekpang with iwah. Ayang. This leaf is long. That is where the ayang comes from. That is how the ayang comes from. Ayang long. All right. Okay. Here we go. This is the size of my pan. So I will roll it to the upside. It's not enough. I'll take some again. Then roll it to the downside. I'll make it to stay in between. Not too up, not too down. Look at the length. Not too up, not too down. Then I will fold it. This is one. is the second and the third. And roll it, bend the upside and the downside. Place it in my pot. Take another leaf, cut it, roll it to the upside and to the downside, in between the up and the down. I will roll it, roll it. Okay, fold it. Yeah, please let me know where you're watching from, and please, if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment. For those of you who have already been there, unwrapping our ekpang, and now we are cooking it properly. Now what I will add here is just water, maybe a cup, 1 cup or 2 cups of water is okay, and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you come and add another 1 cup. After 1 cup, you close it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes again. The ekpang is done. That is what I'm doing. And the water, you put it by the side. This is 1 cup. We're going for the second cup. And I will allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and add another 1 cup and allow it to boil for 5 minutes again. After that, the ekpang is done. Another water to make it steam very well. Okay, so wait again for the. And see if our ekpang is ready to eat. Wow! Let me pick one. Okay, let's open it and check. Lovers of ekpang, please help me and watch. Oh, this is how we eat ekpang. Look at it, look at it, look at it. This is how I open mine. Take a look. Ooh. Wow. Wow, it's come out smoothly. Very fine and nice. Ooh, this is ekpang, 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 ekpang. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, so it's done and good to go. Let me off my pakam. Oh, it's ready to serve now. Let me serve it. So guys, ayang ekpang is ready to serve. Ayang ekpang me for no work. The mother eti udia akwa stayed in here. Ibibio enekedi yo hoye. Around nation going on enekedi yo hoye. Ekpang me do our udia said money said they get it media a phone of more give them. Make a media and you get very to container me. Make a media and you get to a new round. To a new round. It come to a new round me as an elbow. Ye talking to it. It come a but as an door in non get to mangi. How doing it? A comedy and a bang.